Hi everyone, welcome back to HiruHandmade Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful flower. I'll be using white and blue here, but you can choose any two colors you like. Let's get started. I'm going to get started with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger twice like this. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through the ring. This is the magic ring we are going to work into. In the first round, I'm going to chain one, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. And then I'm going to work 5 single crochets inside this magic ring. So insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a single crochet. Again, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 single crochets over here. Like that we will continue. 3, 4 and 5. After completing 5 single crochets, I'm going to pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like this. And then work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet to join the round. So insert the hook into the first single crochet of the round. Yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our first round. And this is what it looks like. And then get started with the second round. There I'm going to chain 4, yarn over and pull through the loop. 2, 3 and 4. After that I'm going to go into the same base stitch and work 4 treble crochets. So to make the treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same base stitch like this, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the treble crochet. Again, the second treble, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same base stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 trebles over here. Like that we will continue and make 2 more trebles into the same stitch. This is the third treble. This is the fourth treble. And then chain 4, 1, 2, 3. That we are going to and work a slip stitch to join the first petal. So insert the hook into the very same base stitch, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our first petal. We need to just repeat the pattern and continue to make the other 4 petals as well. So we will get started with the second petal. There I'm going to insert the hook into the very next stitch and work a slip stitch. So insert the hook into the next stitch and work a slip stitch there. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then work 4 treble crochets into the very same stitch. One, 3, 4, and then again chain 4, work a slip stitch into the very same stitch to join the petal. Now we will continue to make another 3 petals. So work a slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 4, four trebles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then chain 4 and a slip stitch into the same stitch. Now we will just repeat the pattern. This is the end of the round 2, and then I'm going to work a slip stitch into the very same stitch to join the last round, and then I'm going to chain 1, leave a little tail for about 1 inch and cut the yarn off. And then we will use the yarn needle to hide the tails before we continue to the next round. Now I'm going to join the blue yarn to continue to the next round. To join the yarn, what I'm going to do is insert the hook into any one of the stitches in between 2 petals. Now this is the stitch in between the 2 petals, and I'm going to insert the hook like this, and we will pull the blue tail through the stitch. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. And then I'm going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then I'm going to go into the stitch on top of the first treble over here and work a double crochet. So this is the stitch on top of the first treble. To make the double crochet, we need to yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double crochet. Again, go into the very next stitch and work another double crochet. Again, another double crochet into the next stitch. Again, a double crochet into the next stitch as well. Now we have completed 4 double crochets over here, and then go into the next chain here and work another double crochet. So we will insert the hook into the next chain like this and work a double crochet. Now we have completed 5 double crochets, and then chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, insert the hook into the stitch in between the next 2 petals and work a slip stitch. So insert the hook into the stitch in between the 2 petals here and work a slip stitch. And this is the pattern we are going to repeat all around. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now starting from the very first treble here, I'm going to work 1 double crochet into each one of the next 4 stitches. So 1 double crochet on top of the first treble, another double crochet on top of the next treble, another double crochet on top of the next treble, again another double crochet on top of the next treble. Now work a double crochet into the next chain here as well. And then chain 6 and work a slip stitch into the stitch in between the 2 petals here. Now we will just repeat the pattern and continue to make the other petals as well. This is the end of the round, and then I'm going to work a slip stitch into the starting point to join the round. And then chain 1, leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. After that, we will hide the tails using the yarn needle again. That's how you make this beautiful 2-color crochet flower. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more crochet patterns. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy crocheting!